This three-seater submarine was created by experts from the Netherlands. The model reminds us of a Formula One bolide, not only because of its shape, but also because of the configuration of the seats. The submarine has a top speed of 10 miles per hour on the surface and 13 miles per hour underwater. The motors are electric, and a single charge is enough for more than 62 miles. The onboard equipment allows diving up to depths of up to 310 feet. Safety is ensured by several systems, such as 3D sonar, which performs high-speed scans of the environment. There are also infrared cameras and an air tank, and the cargo area can accommodate different equipment. In the mythology of the Maori, the indigenous people of New Zealand, there is the word taniwa. It refers to supernatural creatures that live in the depths and act as protectors or as insidious kidnappers of the local population. And that is the name given to this vehicle by local engineers. The submarine was designed and built for the Sub Race, an international student submarine competition. The New Zealand team won several trophies, including Best Non-Propeller Model. It reached 5.3 miles per hour and missed the world record by a mere 0.4 miles per hour. The secret was simple. The vehicle's fins had a special motion trajectory. It's a bit like Formula One. You don't expect to mass-produce a Formula One racing car, but you can test different things out in it on the track, which can eventually find use in ordinary cars, says the team. Diving submarines with ultimate comfort. That is the idea behind this Dutch project. They offer versions with a capacity of up to 11 people, capable of diving to a depth of 5,577 feet. Options include revolving seats, additional screens, and even portable toilets. According to the manufacturers, one of the models in the series holds the title of the world's best-selling submarine, and for a good reason. Buyers are delighted with the numerous features. For example, the submarine can move sideways, and on the surface, it can be remotely controlled from the Marlin control panel. There are also a number of safety features built into the control system, such as an MDP system that prevents the sub from diving too deep. In addition, if required, the submarines can be fitted with a wide variety of equipment, which greatly expands their range of applications. The following dive is made possible by the Canadian company Atlantis Submarines. The capacity is incredible. One of the models, the Atlantis V, can accommodate 48 passengers, and it reaches almost 65 feet in length. The Atlantis 7 dives to 150 feet and cruises at about 3 miles per hour. The company is known for arranging various excursions and underwater tours. On one of them, for example, participants can admire corals formed more than 1,800 years ago. Of course, it's also very comfortable inside. There's even an air conditioning system. To date, the company has served some 12 million passengers and operates 12 submarines. This submarine, created by British engineers, immediately reminds us of James Bond's adventures. It combines the advantages of a boat and a submarine, allowing you to have fun and simplify various tasks, such as the maintenance of underwater cables. The vehicle switches from boat mode to submarine mode at the push of a button in about 15 seconds. The maximum surface speed is 58 miles per hour. For convenience, it has two different propulsion systems, combustion engine on the surface and electric motor underwater. The submarine can dive to a depth of 98 feet, and in the future, there are versions for 3 and 6 people. This is a submarine known as Nymph. It was once acquired by Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group Corporation, and a great adventurer. So, it's a very appropriate model for his collection. The submarine is 15 feet long and is very maneuverable underwater. For example, there's the possibility to turn 360 degrees. The maximum immersion depth is 130 feet, with capacity for 3 people. The submarine weighs 1,650 pounds and costs about $500,000. Interestingly, Nymph can be operated from the 105-foot Necker Bell yacht. What you're watching is not a music video for the hit song Yellow Submarine, it is a real, fully functional amphibious vehicle that is so unique that the creators point out that it's in a class of its own. The amphibious craft is available in 4- and 6-seater versions, with a top speed of 9 miles per hour. It's 12.5 feet long and 4.6 feet high. It's powered by batteries that are enough for 8 hours of immersion. The device has good maneuverability, the control is user-friendly and easy even for beginners. And thanks to the superstructure, the amphibian vehicle can carry different equipment, which makes it interesting not only for entertainment but also for research or underwater work. This private submarine was manufactured by the American company Seamagine. The engineers have a lot of experience, as more than 12,000 dives have been performed on their submarines. Therefore, the Aurora 3C model is a combination of decades of experience and state-of-the-art technology. The model is designed for 3 people and comes in versions for diving to depths of 1,509 and 3,281 feet. They weigh 3.8 and 4.8 tons respectively. Despite its modest size of 14 feet, every detail has been carefully designed. For example, there's a mini deck on top with retractable handrails, and a breathtaking panoramic view of the underwater beauty opens up from the inside. A mini submarine like this would fit perfectly into a spy adventure movie. Even the name Spy Master hints at it. The model can dive to a depth of 39 feet and allows spending up to 80 minutes underwater. However, it won't be fast, as it moves at about 1.4 miles per hour. The mini submarine is easy to operate, safe and super compact. Its length is just over 3 feet and it weighs 212 pounds. The vehicle's battery powered and has a charging time of 4 to 6 hours. It costs $18,500. Do you remember the movie The Spy Who Loved Me? In that film, a modified Lotus Esprit served as the underwater car, and in 2008, a Swiss company presented this version based on the Lotus Elise. The creators had to install 3 electric motors, 1 to travel on land and 2 for the water. The maximum speed is 75 miles per hour on land, 4 miles per hour in boat mode, and 2 miles per hour underwater. The immersion depth is up to 33 feet. In addition, the materials are salt resistant, so you can even drive the car in the ocean. In 2022, the project was described as a concept car on the company's website, with no information about the price. However, some publications claim that it is possible to order it, but it would cost $2 million. The inspiration for this project came from the sailfish. Unfortunately, the great engineering work did not help to reach the speed of the original. The sailfish can swim up to 62 miles per hour, while this submarine has a top speed of 53 miles per hour. But it will delight you with spectacular tricks: rolling, porpoising, flipping, etc. For more fun, there's a water cannon installed at the front of the vehicle. The model is about 16 feet long and can travel in underwater mode. The immersion depth is about 6 feet, while the speed will drop to 20 miles per hour. These small submarines are made in Canada. They're designed for 3 people and can dive to depths of up to 130 feet. One of their main features is their compactness. At 11 feet long, the boat weighs 1,750 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. The interior is designed so that all passengers can look anywhere, sideways, upwards, or even downwards. The maximum dive time is 2 hours. The controls are very simple, and there's a preparation course for people who don't have enough experience. You'll have to pay about $90,000 for this vehicle. In addition, various types of equipment can be purchased, and the submarine can be decorated with custom designs. Anyone with basic mechanical skills can also maintain the submarine.